Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Twitch. First, open your web browser and go to twitch.tv. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. After filling in the details, click sign up. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right. From the menu, choose settings. Under the profile tab, you can upload a profile picture and banner. This helps your channel look personal and welcoming. Next, go to the security and privacy tab. Here, you should enable two-factor authentication. This means you need to enter a code from your phone when you log in. It keeps your account safe. Now let's set up your streaming software. The most common one is OBS Studio, which is free. Download it from obsproject.com and install it. Open OBS and go to Settings. Click on the stream. From the service list, choose Twitch. Then click Connect Account. Log in with your Twitch account and give OBS permission. To make your stream look good, add a scene and sources in OBS. You can add your game window, a webcam, and a microphone. Arrange them the way you want. Finally, click on your profile picture and go to the creator dashboard. Here you can edit your stream title, category, and tags so viewers can find you. That is how to set up Twitch. Thanks for watching.